So what's going on?
Sitting at a desk a whole lot during the pandemic for work, and my low back has not been great for the past couple weeks.
Then we will start there. I'm going to get you face down.
All right, so I'm going to check through. Oh, thoracic spine is really, really stiff through there. And then, yeah, as we get down to the lumbar spine and the low back here, a bit of a mess. A lot of a mess. Good. I'm going to come just bottom you here. We're going to check if we can bend the knees up, how well that's going to go. So, bit of a discrepancy there. The left bends better than the right. Any pain doing that?
A little tight through the low back, but no pain.
No pain. Okay. And then straight knee, I'm going to get you to raise the right leg up as high in the air as it'll go. Good. Drop that down. Try the other one. And better on that side. Does that feel different side to side?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we're going to bend your knee here. Try and hold that up for me. I'm going to give you some pressure down. Hamstring holds up well, and then I'll switch you here. Same thing, hold. Hamstring does not hold up well. And then if we anchor the SI joint on the right, that makes a big difference. And if we torque the sacrum, same thing. So I am going to get you turned facing over that way. I'll meet you over here. Good, good. We've definitely done this before. And a breath in. Yep. Nice. And then I'm going to get you facing over the other way. Perfect. Good. We're going to roll that bottom shoulder in front of you a bit more. And then a breath in. Good. Good. And then we'll get you back face down. Knees are going to bend up again. So this time, much more even. Less of the pulling through the low back.
Yeah.
Okay. And then right leg up as high in the air as it'll go. Better. And left. Good. How's that feel side to side?
Right still feels a little tighter, but
Okay.
much better than the first go.
Yeah. So QL on the left is still giving you trouble. I actually suspect the QL on the right isn't doing a lot right now, so if we bring both your legs over to the right, good there? Scoop your ankles up. I'm going to try and bring you back to center. Try and hold me over to the right. So that doesn't do much anything.
No.
Try that again. Nothing. And then I'm going to have you bring your right hand just to the front of the rib cage right there, the bottom. Hold the legs over there again. And then take that right hand away and hold. And nothing. So we are going to do some lymphatic drainage work for that right QL. Maybe a touch ticklish. Try and breathe through it if you need to. Doing okay there?
Oh, yeah.
And there is a paired point up here. It's just harder for you to get your hand there sometimes. Good. We're going to bring both legs back over here and then hold me over to the right. Good. So without support, that time is much happier.
Yep.
We'll just make sure the left goes too. Same thing, hold me over left. Good. No issues there. And then this time again, if you raise the right up as high as it'll go. Good, and the left. Good. Perfect lead that time. How does that feel this time?
Way better.
Okay. Good. So then the next piece is going to be adjusting in through here. I'm going to have you take a nice deep breath in. Out. Good. One more through here. Breath in. Out. Nice. Hood's going to go up here. Yeah, we're going to get right in here. And a breath in. Out. That one's really good. And then we're going to come around to the other side. So, same thing, breath in. Good. It's all moving. I'm going to get you on your back when you're ready. Perfect. All I got here, we'll check through the neck. So, spot up there. Yeah, spot there too. That's moving well. Good. So we're going to start down here on the left. And then we're going to come over here. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Headaches at all when I'm pressing in here?
No, but there's definitely pain right where you're pressing. Like muscle pain, not from you pressing.
Fair enough. Get in there a little deeper. Pressure's okay there?
That's uncomfortable.
Okay, so back off a bit. Good. Let's let it go. Didn't know Bugatti was making masks.
Not the cool one.
Still cooler than medical masks I get to wear, but good. We're going to come down to your feet next. Take your little slippers off. Starting through the left. Good. I was worried the thick wool socks were going to muffle the sound, but not so much. There we go. Good. Good. I like that. And then take your time. I'm going to get you sitting up for me when you're ready. Perfect. I'm just going to check out here. I'm going to borrow your arm. I'm going to bring you back. Good. Good. And then I'll switch arms. That's a bit tough. So that left shoulder is not moving nearly as well. We're going to adjust through here. I'm going to reach around and grab the elbow. Good there?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And good. Perfect. Good. And then from here, you can just get one hand, doesn't matter which, pinky and thumb together, and squeeze. Good. And I'll switch you. Squeeze. Good. All right. All seems to be pretty good there. Feel that out for me. Let me know how we're doing.
Way better than before I came in.
Perfect.